Before you begin to change your filter, be sure your car is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter for the 2.4-liter 2022 Toyota GR86 and the Subaru BRZ is very easy to replace, and it can be done in less than 5 minutes. No tools are required. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main air filter box at the driver's side front of the engine bay just behind the radiator. To open, simply pop the 2 clips located at the top of the box. The box is secured at the bottom by 2 tightly fitted tabs that can slide out by working the box upward and tilting it rearward. Once you've gained enough clearance, you can lift the air filter element upward and out. To replace the filter, just reverse the order of removal. Take care not to damage the mesh liner at the top of the box lid when inserting the new filter into place. Make sure you've seated the air filter and that the edges aren't pinched in any way before you secure the 2 top latches.